Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you my version of authentic linguine carbonara. For this we're going to use 1 medium chopped onion, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, and a pound of bacon or pancetta. After that, or in the meantime, we're going to cook our pasta at the same time so that everything is ready at the same time. We're going to add some seasonings to this, some oregano and salt and pepper to taste, about a 1/3 cup of white wine or marsala, 1 cup of heavy cream, and 1 cup of Parmesan cheese. We're going to stir it lightly and then let it thicken for like a minute and turn your flame off. After that, we are going to whisk 2 eggs and we're going to mix our sauce with our pasta first, and we're going to gently and quickly toss it so that the pasta doesn't overcook. And then we're going to add the 2 eggs. You can either mix this in the pan that you cook the sauce, or you can the shallow pan, or you can use your pot where you cooked your pasta, but you have to do this very quickly so that your egg does not scramble and your pasta does not overcook. So it's kind of tricky. You have to do it super fast. And I do not like the taste of raw eggs, so I'm happy when the egg cooks a little bit more. Then we're going to go ahead and add our garnish with diced tomatoes or fresh parsley, whatever you would like. And again, serve this hot and al dente, and it should be ready in about 25 minutes. So I hope you enjoy it. For these and other recipes, check my website, practicalrecipes.com.